So இவ்வளவு நேரம் examples போட்டாச்சு. Let's move on to exercise. Okay? ரொம்ப easy. It's a very small chapter. Values எல்லாம் கரெக்ட்டா அப்ளை பண்ணாலே வந்துரும். Okay? Find the angle between the two vectors with magnitudes √3 and 2 respectively having a dot b equals √6. இப்போ angle னா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? We know that a dot b. I'll write without the magnitude. So I know that a dot b equals magnitude of a magnitude of b times cos theta. Correct? இந்த இடத்துல angle கேக்குறாங்க. So my angle cos theta is going to be a dot b divided by magnitude of a times magnitude of b. எல்லா வேல்யூவும் அவனே கொடுத்துட்டான். magnitude a b a dot b அவனே கொடுத்துட்டான். So சும்மா substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். So √6 divided by √3 times 2. When I try to simplify this, √6 can be written as √2 into √3. √3 times 2. I can see that the √3 and the √3 gets cancelled. In the இடத்துல 2 √2 it gets cancelled. So I'll have √2 left. So what is this going to be? Cos theta equals 1 divided by √2, which means theta equals pi divided by 4. Ilya, cos 45 is 1 by √2. So theta equals pi by 4. Okay, please copy. Question number 2. Find the angle between the two vectors. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல ரெண்டு வெக்டர் கொடுத்திருக்கு. I have a vector to be I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and b vector is going to be 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. இப்போ a1 1, a2 is minus 2, a3 is going to be 3, and b1 is going to be 3, b2 is going to be minus 2, b3 equals 1. எதுக்கு இதை பண்றேன்? I need to find a dot b, which is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. கரெக்டா இதான dot product, because we know that I cap times I cap gives me a 1 because theta equals 0. ஒரே லைன்ல இருக்கிறதுனால cos theta becomes 1, which means I cap into I cap equals 1. So இந்த வேல்யூ தான் left out இருக்கு. So I have 1 times 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1. I have 3 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. So in total I have 3 plus 3 6 10. A dot b கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ magnitude of a என்ன? It is going to be square root of 1 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 3 square, which is going to be square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is going to be √14. Then mod b is going to be square root of 3 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square, which is square root of 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is again √14. So I have cos theta equals a dot b divided by mod a times mod b. So this is going to be 10 divided by √14 times √14, which is 10 divided by 14. 2 table la cancel panna 2 5s are 2 7s are. So I have cos theta equals 5 by 7. So theta equals cos inverse of 5 divided by 7. Okay, please copy. Formula use panni pota romba simple. Okay, now question number 3. Find the projection of the vector. So I have a vector to be I minus j on b vector, which is going to be I plus j. So எதோட onோ, so basically the projection is going to be on b vector. So my denominator is going to be the magnitude of b. Numerator la enna irukku podhu? It is going to be a dot b. Okay, so I have to find this. So a1 1, a2 equals minus 1, b1 1, b2 equals 1. So a dot b equals 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1, which is going to be 1 minus 1, which is 0. So in the projection is going to be 0 divided by, I don't have to bother about the denominator, so this is going to be 0. So projection is going to be 0. Okay, please copy. Fourth question. Find the projection of the vector. திரும்ப அதேதான். So a equals I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap, and b is going to be 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. So a dot b equals 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 7 into 8. And then the respective components I multiply பண்றேன். புரியுதா? 1 into 7 பண்றேன். Then I'm doing 3 into minus 1. Then I'm doing 7 into 8. புரிஞ்சுதா? So அந்த values அங்கங்க நான் components எடுத்து போட்டிருக்கேன். Okay? Please pay attention. Now this is my a dot b. இப்போ projection என்ன? Projection is going to be this. When I simplify, I'll write the answer 7 minus 3 plus 56, which is going to be 56 minus 3 is 53. 53 plus 7 is going to be 60. So projection is going to be on b vector. So on b na, it has to be the denominator. numerator la a dot b. Okay, so this is going to be 60 divided by magnitude of b. I need to find what magnitude of b is. This is going to be square root of 7 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 8 square, which is going to be the 1. Okay, square root of 49 plus 1 plus 64. So 49 plus 1, 50. 50 plus 64 is going to be 114. Okay, so this is going to be 60 divided by square root of 114. Okay, please copy. Question number 5. Show that each of the given 3 vectors is a unit vector. Unit vector aan eppadi theriyum? So first of all, idu a nu eduthupom. So I have a equals 1 by 7 2i. In the 7 na ulla multiply pannidren. Okay, because it's already given in the question. So 2 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 6 by 7 k cap. So if absolute value of a, modulus magnitude of a is going to be 1, which means it is a unit vector. Check pannalama. So magnitude of a is going to be square root of 2 by 7 the whole square plus 3 by 7 the whole square plus 6 by 7 the whole square. So numerator square panna, I have 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is 36 divided by 7 square is 49. Denominator common edutiten. So this is going to be square root of 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 plus 9 is 49. So 49 divided by 49, which is 1. Hence the first vector is a unit vector. Ipo second vector check pannalama. So I have b equals 3 by 7 I cap minus 6 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap. So now when I find the magnitude, I have square root of 3 by 7 the whole square plus minus 6 by 7 the whole square plus 2 by 7 the whole square. Okay, போன questionல வந்ததே தான் வரப்போகுது. 3 square 9, 6 square 36, 2 square 4 divided by 49. So this is also going to be 1. Okay, so this is also a unit vector. இப்போ last case என்ன 6, 2, 3. So இது எல்லாமே அதே தான் வரப்போகுது. So C is going to be 6 by 7 I cap 2 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So I have 2 by 7 j cap minus 3 by 7 k cap. So magnitude of C is again going to be square root of 6 square 36, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9 divided by 49, which is equal to 1. So this is also a unit vector. Ipa second enna ketirukka, also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular na enna artham? Theta is going to be pi divided by 2, which means cos pi by 2 equals 0. Appa cos theta enna? From what we know, it is going to be a dot b divided by mod a times mod b. So ipa dot product na 0 nu prove pannitenna, I can prove that the theta is going to be pi by 2. So I need to find a dot b, b dot c and c dot a. Ipa a dot b enna? I see a and b values. So a dot b, I'll do it here. Okay, so a dot b is going to be 2 by 7 into 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 into minus 6 divided by 7 plus I have 6 by 7 into 2 divided by 7. So இதை calculate பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்குது? 3 2s are 6 minus numeratorல 6 3s are 18 plus 6 2s are 12 divided by 7 into 7 is going to be 49. So I'll be left with 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So I see that a dot b is going to be 0, which means cos theta equals 0 na theta equals pi divided by 2. So I see that a is perpendicular to b. Okay, இதுதான் நம்ம prove பண்ணிருப்போம். A perpendicular to b ன்னு prove பண்ணியாச்சு. இப்போ b c க்கு prove பண்ணலாமா? So what is b dot c? B dot c is going to be, I'll write it here. Okay, b dot c is going to be, when I multiply the values, இந்த இடத்துல b இருக்கு, இங்க c இருக்கு. So 3 by 7 into 6 by 7 plus minus 6 by 7 into 2 by 7 plus the last term is going to be 2 by 7 into minus 3 divided by 7. So இதை multiply பண்ணா I have 18 minus 12 minus 6 divided by 49. This is going to be 18 minus 18, again 0. So I see that b is perpendicular to c. So அதே மாதிரி a dot c. a dot c என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? I have a is going to be 2 by 7 into 6 by 7. So I have 2 by 7 into 6 by 7 plus next term என்ன? 3 by 7 into 2 by 7. So I have 3 by 7 into 2 by 7 plus last term enna 6 by 7 times minus 3 by 7. So 6 by 7 times minus 3 divided by 7. I again have 12 plus 6 minus 18 divided by 49, which is again going to be 0. So I see that a is also perpendicular to c. So perpendicular இல்லையா அப்படி நம்ம dot product வச்சு prove பண்ணலாம். Okay, please copy. Question number 6. Find A and B if such a form is given. So, இப்போ A, B எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? I see that I have A plus B dot product of A minus B. இப்போ நான் இதை உள்ள multiply பண்ணனா என்ன கிடைக்கும்? I have A dot A minus A dot B. Okay? So, A dot A minus A dot B. Next term என்ன? B dot A minus B dot B. So, I have plus B dot A minus B dot B. I know that commutativity என்ன தெரியும்? A dot B is equal to B dot A. எதனால? Commutative. இல்லையா? இதெல்லாம் படிச்சிருக்கோம்ல? So, commutative property வச்சு பார்த்தா this gets cancelled. So, A dot B and B dot A gets cancelled. I'll be left with mod A the whole square minus mod B the whole square. A dot A என்ன? Mod A and B dot B is going to be mod B the whole square. Okay. Now, this is given to be 8. இது வந்து 8 னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. So, I know that mod A whole square minus mod B whole square equals 8. And it is also given that mod A equals 8 times absolute value of B. Okay. So, இதுக்கப்புறமா நம்ம elimination method, substitution methodலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். When I substitute that, I have 64 times B square. கரெக்டா இதுலேருந்து என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Mod A the whole square equals 64 times B square. அதை substitute பண்ணா 64 times B square minus B square equals 8. So, I will get 63 times B square equals 8. B square equals 8 divided by 63. என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க? Find A and B. So, my B is going to be square root of 8 divided by 63, not 36. 8 divided by 63. And what is my A going to be? Mod A is going to be 8 times mod B. And this is again going to be 8 times root 8 divided by 63, which is going to be 8 root 8 divided by root 63. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 7. Evaluate the product. இவ்வளோ நேரம் நம்ம போட்டது தான். So this is going to be 3A minus 5B dot 2A plus 7B. ஒரு டேர்மா போடலாமா? So 3A into 2A. So this is going to be 3 2s are 6 A dot A. Okay, ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பா போடுங்க. Plus I'm going to do 3A times 7B. So this is going to be 3 into 7 இல்லையா? So 3 7s are 21 times A dot B plus minus 5 into 2. So அதை நான் minus எழுதிறேன். So minus 10 times B dot A minus 7 5s are 35 times B dot B. So this is going to be 6 mod A square plus I can subtract these two because mod A dot B equals B dot A. So 21 minus 10 is going to give me 11 times A dot B minus 35 times B square. This is my final answer. அவ்வளவுதான். இதுக்கு மேல further simplify பண்ண முடியாது. ஏன்னா A, B values நமக்கு தெரியாது. Okay? Please copy. Question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vectors A and B. அப்படின்னா என்ன? Magnitude கேக்குறாங்க. இது என்ன? Magnitude of B என்ன? Having the same magnitude such that இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் same magnitude. So it is also given that magnitude of A equals magnitude of B such that the angle between them. So thetaவும் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க 60 degree னு. அப்போ cos theta என்ன? Cos 60 which is going to be 0 1 by 2 இல்லையா? 1 by 2. And their scalar product is 1 by 2. It is also given that A dot B equals 1 by 2. இந்த values எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? A dot B equals mod A times mod B times cos theta. It is also given that A equals B. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 1 by 2 equals mod A the whole square times cos 60 is also going to be 1 by 2. So I see that mod A the whole square is 1. So mod A equals 1 and mod B is also going to be 1. அவ்வளவுதான். Simple word problems தான். But dot product ஓட formula வச்சு போட போறோம். Okay? Please copy. Question number 9. Find x if for a unit vector A, x minus a x plus a equals 12. Unit vector A na என்ன அர்த்தம்? Magnitude of A is going to be 1. Unit vector na magnitude 1. Okay, ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. First step இதை எழுதிருங்க. Okay, next I have x minus a dot product x plus a. Dot product என்னன்னு தெளிவா புரிஞ்சு போடுங்க. So I have x dot x, then I have x dot a. So plus x dot a, then I have minus a dot x, then I have minus a dot a equals 12. So this is going to be mod x the whole square and this gets cancelled. A dot x or x dot a, they get cancelled. minus a square equals 12. I just found out that a oda magnitude is going to be 1. So a square is also going to be 1. So I have mod x square minus 1 equals 12. Mod x the whole square equals 13. And mod x equals root 13. So this is going to be my answer. Okay. Please copy. Unit vector nu therinjadanaala dhaan a ku substitute panna mudiyudhu. Okay. Question number 10. If a, b, c are such that a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c, then find the value of lambda. Okay. So, இப்போ first a plus lambda b கண்டுபிடிப்போம். So, I am going to take some d vector to be a plus lambda b. Let me find the values. So, this is going to be 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda times b. So, direct away value edhillaam. So, I have minus lambda times I plus 2 lambda j cap plus lambda k cap. இதை ரெண்டுத்தையும் add பண்ணா, when I combine I terms, I have 2 minus lambda plus j வை combine பண்ணா 2 plus 2 lambda plus k cap 3 plus lambda. Okay, so this is going to be my D. It is also given that a plus lambda b is perpendicular to c. அப்ப D is perpendicular to c na, I know that theta equals pi divided by 2, which means cos pi by 2 equals 0. So, I have D dot C should be 0. So, dot product na 0 na equate panni kandupidikka poren. Now, what is my C from the question? C is going to be 3i cap plus j cap. Now, from this I have C1 equals 3 and C2 equals 1. C3 equals 0. C3 illa. Innone D1 enna theriyum? 2 minus lambda. D2 equals 2 plus 2 lambda. And D3 equals 3 plus lambda. Now, what is the dot product going to be? D dot C equals D1 C1 plus D2 C2 plus D3 C3. So, when I do that, I have 2 minus lambda times 3 plus D2 C2, which is going to be 2 plus 2 lambda into 1 plus 0. And C3 is going to be 0. And this is nothing but 0 nu na equate pannano. Yena I know that D dot C equals mod D mod C times cos pi divided by 2. ஏனா perpendicular னு கொடுத்திருக்கான். So, this is going to be 0. அதனால equate பண்ணா, I'll have, when I multiply this inside, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda equals 0. So, this is going to be 6 plus 2 is 8 minus lambda equals 0. So, lambda equals 8. So, I found the value of lambda. Okay. Please copy.